Okay guys, someone asked me about this mobile setup and I will be showing you in this video and how you can put it into use. Okay, it will help you to be able to analyze the market and take a proper decision, even though if you want to make more money than what you this mobile setup will be giving to you, you will need the custom made indicator, the 3M custom made indicator. Okay, so now let's go straight into what we are writing. Remember, if you have any question at all, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and drop your question down there in the comment section. I will be there to reply. So let's see how this really works. Okay, so first of all, let's check out the setup. Okay, so this is the setup on the main chart. Okay, now let's check out the one within the window. Okay, that's it. And of course the second one, and that's it. Okay, so I'm going to explain briefly how this setup works. Okay, it works on all the time frames, and of course it works with all the assets, even the currency pairs and the likes. Okay, so let's quickly see how it works. Okay, so we use the window indicator, sorry, to approve our analysis on the main chart. Okay, so first of all, let's go to the main chart. Here is a resistance zone, and of course it was unable to break out above that, so it gave us a downtrend signal. It gave us a selling signal. Immediately it went below this moving average. How do we know if this is going to sell? If you should come down to the window indicator, you will notice that this has gone above 70, and if it has gone above 70, it means that the market has overbought already. So if it is not breaking out above the resistance zone, then it should change the direction of the trend. And how do we know if it will change? Okay, if we have a downward crossing like what we have right here, so you can see it sold. And of course, if you should notice also, it also went down, and immediately it gets to 30, I expect you to close your trade, or you lock up 80% of your profit. Okay, so that you will risk 20% to make more profit within the market. The same thing is for a buy signal. Okay, these actually got to the support zone, and of course if you should notice, it has gone below 30. Once it goes below 30, it means that it has oversold already. So if it is not breaking out below this support zone, then it should change the direction of the trend. Okay, and of course this gave us an entry point around here, so we should buy around here. And of course it bought till it got to that region. So when should we exit the market? Immediately it gets to 70. Okay, or probably we lock 80% of the profit at that point and expose 20% in order for us to make more profit. It is as easy as that. I hope this is clear enough. If you have more questions, kindly drop your question in the comment section. I will be there to reply. If you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.